How to sign up for MEXC account for the first time. If you're trying to start crypto trading on MEXC, creating an account is quick and only takes a few minutes. First things first, download and open up the MEXC application on your smartphone and make sure that you're inside this home page. Now from here, go to the sign up button in blue at the top and then select whether you'd like to sign up with Apple or with email or phone option. You also have an option to continue with Google, with your wallet, or with your Telegram account. I'm going to choose the continue with email or phone option. Now go ahead and enter a valid phone number or valid email address you want to sign up with. After typing it down, click on continue. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email. Go ahead and check your email inbox and you'll receive a verification code. After you receive the code, type it down in the text box and click next. On the next page, you'll get to set your password. Go ahead and write down a strong password for your new MEXC account. Make sure the passwords meets the criteria and click confirm. And you have successfully signed up for MEXC. The next thing you would want to do is to complete your KYC verification. After completing it, you'll get access to all of the MEXC's features, and that's it. Once your account is ready, you can explore trading, deposit crypto, buy and sell coins right from your MEXC app on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.